The peak capacity of an ATC tower is 75 flights per hour or 1,800 flights per day. This capacity of air traffic management systems falls significantly short for the modern aviation of drones and other automated flying systems. Introducing Skye UTM, the most advanced UTM system across the globe. The platform performs the task of stitching unmanned air traffic with manned air traffic. Skye UTM builds virtual highways in the sky, forming safe and efficient paths for drones to transport goods, services, and eventually people from one place to another. Skye UTM organizes the drone air traffic and demarcates the airspace based on size, category, altitude requirement, and type of operation of a drone for better and efficient traffic flow. The regulatory access is offered to the regulators, ATC towers, and other stakeholders to monitor airspace usage, design regulations, and generate approvals. The platform enables real-time data transfer and coordination between all the different stakeholders such as the Common Information Service Provider, Ministry of Civil Aviation, the regulator, ATCs, Air Force, and other public/private aviation agencies. Skye UTM publishes the flight details of a drone operation in the black box engine that displays the time-stamped flight details of the mission in a pre-flight, in-flight, and post-flight format. The engine also publishes any errors or breaches that occurred during the flight. The platform's deconfliction engine continuously compares horizontal and vertical separation of all the manned and unmanned traffic to ensure all flights reach their destination safely.